Ladies and gentlemen, dear conference participants, thank you for joining us. Welcome to my presentation. My name is Lukáš Vartiak. I work at the Comenius University in Bratislava, Slovakia, and I'd like to introduce you my topic that is called Using the EFQM model to manage an organization. So let's start with what is an EFQM model. The model is recognized management framework. It also supports any organization that would like to change anything, that would like to improve its performance. And also, it is called a blueprint for every organization across not only Europe, but also in the world. It was originally launched in 1992 by European Foundation for Quality Management. That is what abbreviation EFQM stands for. And the main purpose of this model was to help organizations to develop, to be better, to make a change, and to be more competitive in Europe, in European market. Also, the popularity of the EFQM model caused that the model is used across the world, not only in Europe. It is also popular in Asia and also other parts of the world. The model is regarded as a quality management tool or one of the quality management tools. Of course, the model itself is not able to change the organization. It goes hand in hand with the need of organization to change and also the ability to change. It is divided into several criteria, which we will go through, and the model itself analyzes the behavior of organization, its culture, and also its performance. The first model needs to check the performance, needs to check the organization, how it stands or where it stands, and then it needs to improve every possible part of the company. In summary, we can call it not only quality management framework, but the framework for management in general. The result of every organization using the EFQM model is that the organization can become excellent. When we use, or when any company uses, any organization uses the EFQM model, it must be taken as an opportunity to change the perspective, opportunity to make the complex changes, not only changes in some parts of the company, because the EFQM model is a complex model. Also, the larger the company, the larger the bigger the influence of the EFQM model is. Since the market is competitive and dynamic, also the model has to be dynamic and has to be able to adapt to changes at the market and also to adapt to changes of every company. Model is divided into three main areas by asking three main questions. So the first question is why, second is how, and the third one is what. So why the company wants to do what it wants to do, why the company wants to change its direction, why the company wants to change the strategy. Then how the company defines its strategy, and what the company wants to achieve. So that is why all of the criteria are divided into three main parts: direction, execution, and results. So we need to start with direction, so where the company is heading, then continue with execution, how to get there, and finish with results, what we achieved. When we continue to benefits of the EFQM model, it is clear that it is a roadmap for developing the company, developing its culture, and improve the company, and also company can be more innovative. EFQM model helps to define not only purpose of the company, but also how the company wants to achieve this. And also it creates the comprehensive framework for sustaining and sustainable excellence. So when the company wants to be excellent, it needs to use the EFQM model. The company that decided to or decides to use the EFQM model needs to check its key actions, because every key action needs to be met with the EFQM model principles. Every organization that uses the EFQM model defines an inspiring purpose and aspirational vision, also determines the key stakeholders, and also develops the strategy that delivers the purpose and connects the purpose with the vision. Such organization builds a winning culture, and this culture is called winning because it supports change, transformation, innovation, growth, and it encourages all of the employees and all of the parts of the company to be better. At the end, the EFQM model helps the company to inspire others. This is how the EFQM model looks like. So this is the picture of the model, and it is divided into 7 criteria. This is the newest model because the model is developing or has been developing. And the first criterion is called purpose, vision, and strategy. The second one is aimed at organizational culture and leadership. Third criterion engages the stakeholders. The fourth one creates sustainable value. The fifth one is driving performance and transformation of the organization. The sixth criterion is called the stakeholder perceptions. And the last criterion number 7, is called strategic and operational performance. EFQM model. So the first part of the model, or the first set of the criteria, is called direction. So what does it mean? It means that every company needs to have sustainable performance. Every company needs to be inspired by other companies and also inspire other companies. And the aim of the company is to achieve outstanding results. So this can be possible even if the whole principle of the EFQM model is applied into the company. When we look at the model and its direction, it means that we need to prepare leadership to be better and to look forward. The second set of criteria is called execution. So when we already have the direction, we need to continue with execution. So how to achieve our results, how to achieve the results that we plan to achieve. So execution drives the performance. Execution drives the change and transformation of the company and tries to connect the company with its stakeholders at a whole new level, deeper level. The last set of criteria is called results. So results represent what organization wants to achieve, what to expect, and how to achieve it. And at the end, if we achieved it. So organization concentrates on the results. Results that are also important for key stakeholders. And also, at the end, we need to check if our direction is met with results. So direction is what we wanted to achieve, results is what we achieve. And if we achieved it on day-to-day basis. So we need to achieve our results step by step. This is the first case study, which I want to show you. All of the case studies are available or publicly available at the EFQM official website. And all of these case studies that I will present are to show you that EFQM model can be used in every type of organization and can be beneficial for every type of organization. The first case study is from Abu Dhabi Police Department, and its aim is to become, or its aim was to become the stakeholder-centric organization. So it helped in digital transformation, it helped in transition from a routine-oriented system to outcome-oriented system, and it also helped the organization, Abu Dhabi Police, to be more resilient and its agility overcome the unexpected changes. Second, it's Alpen Resort Schwarz. So it is hospitality. So their aim was to improve a 5-star experience, and the model was introduced as a formal strategy, and the resort wasn't just sure how to deal with it, but over the years, the resort incorporated the EFQM model in its mission, values, vision, and every part of the company. As the managers said, there is a long-term improvement in every part of the company and overall satisfaction with not only owners, but also employees, and it can be seen in profit and turnover. Then we have BMW, which is a well-known automotive company, and let's see what the Dr. Robert Engelhorn, who is the CEO of the company, said about the using EFQM model. So it's a comprehensive, holistic, and entrepreneurial approach that has helped us to ensure lasting success. One of the things this model has helped us with is evaluating the links between purpose and strategy and strengthening our focus on stakeholders in the process. And the last enhancements to the model allow the analysis and evaluation of ongoing challenges, such as the transition to electromobility. Another is Bosch. They wanted to create a culture for innovation to thrive. So one of the 14 European companies that signed the letter of intent to use or establish the EFQM model was Bosch, and it was in 1988. And they developed the culture that is beneficial for all, and also the EFQM model helps them to improve and to adapt changes to new products. Also, they receive external feedback, and they receive feedback from external assessors. So it means that they can learn from people from different backgrounds. Then EFQM model can be also used in hospital. So they wanted to continuously improve healthcare, and they started to use the EFQM model in 2013. Also, they adapted to changes more flexibly, and all of the employees are familiar with the EFQM model, and it helps them to benchmark with other healthcare providers, and also not only in Spain, but worldwide. Then it can also be used in education. So as in this school, that wanted to make their vision a reality, they started to use the EFQM model in 2004, and they were able to set the clear strategy and vision for their managers, teachers, parents, and students. EFQM model helped them to lead the team better and to identify the gaps between vision and reality. So it is the direction and results of the model, as you can see. And as they say, there is no doubt that the model provides a solid framework for continuous improvement. Then also civic associations can use the model, such as the Real Madrid Foundation. They wanted to set the values clear. They wanted to participate in global education, and also they found out that not only ISO standards are needed, but companies need more, and the EFQM model provides more, mainly to manage people, mainly to help them to overcome the transformation or digital transformation problems, and then to engage stakeholders. Another successful company using the EFQM model is SCLE, and they wanted to create a long-term success and the culture that supports the long-term success. They started to use the EFQM model in 2006. And the model helped them to consolidate their position in the market and to set the vision what the market will look like in 5, 10, or 15 years, and where the company will be in this time. So the model helped them to better predict the future and to be more confident in their decisions. Then we have Skills Development Scotland, which is also the company that started to use the EFQM model in 2008. And they wanted to drive the change, internal change, and also realign the company. Company shifted to a distributed approach, which was set by the using of the EFQM model, and company can also measure the improvement continuously, and quality assurance is one of the best results of the EFQM model application in this company. Then we have a company called Signify, and with the methodology offered by EFQM, they benchmark themselves at the market. Also, they compare not only with the European market, but also with the market that is outside of the European continent. And what is good, or the best, let's say the best at this in this company, is that they incorporated the EFQM model into the company's DNA. So when they see the annual reports, they are very clear and they know where the company is heading. To conclude, as we can see, the EFQM model can help in any part of the company. It can help in companies, departments that usually don't seem to use management practices. It can help in company departments that are based on the management practices, like HR. And also it can help to set the company straight at the market and to help the company to improve itself. Also, it is a great tool for benchmarking, which means that the company can compare with other companies in the field, other companies in European continent or worldwide. Based on the case studies that we just saw, the EFQM model is applicable in public services, hospitality, automotive, education, healthcare. It can be used by civic association, and to be general, it can be used by any production or service providing company. What is good on the EFQM model is that every company, every organization can get the insight from external assessors These assessors are experts in excellence, and every company that decided to use the EFQM model can become excellent. So being excellent and get the prize or award in the EFQM Excellence Model Award is just the bonus that any company, any organization can get. So just remember the main takeaways from this presentation. EFQM model is available to use by any organization. Also, all of the assessors are available to help you, so you can consult with the EFQM office. And when you decide to use the EFQM model, you will not regret it, because it can only help you. Of course, every change in the company, every change in organization can have some negative aspects, but at the end, you will see that it is beneficial for the whole company, beneficial for all employees, beneficial for owners, beneficial for stakeholders, and also, let's say the business is business, beneficial for clients or customers. So thank you for paying attention to my presentation. These are valuable resources that I used to create this presentation, and also you can use them to find out more about the EFQM model. I hope that you will enjoy the rest of the presentations. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact me. So thank you for your attention. Enjoy the rest of the conference.